Hook. What if losing everything was the start of something greater? Storm. A proud farmer mocked his poor neighbor, saying, "Without wealth, you're nothing." The poor man stayed silent. One night, a storm destroyed the proud farmer's big house and crops. He cried, "I've lost everything," while his rich friends turned away. No one came to help. The poor neighbor living in a small hut saw the man's pain. Even with little, he shared food and gave him shelter. The farmer was shocked. "Why help me after my insults?" The poor man replied, "Because kindness is greater than pride." Together they worked on the land, rebuilding slowly, side by side. Friendship began to grow where arrogance once lived. Years passed. Their farms flourished, bigger than before. The once proud farmer now shared his harvest freely, remembering the day kindness saved him. The moral: the farmer told everyone, pride can fall in a night, but kindness builds forever. Moral: never let pride blind ye. Kindness is the true wealth.